How to unblock someone on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu that appears, you can simply scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. And now here, under Settings and Privacy, you can just select Settings. And now here, once you're inside the Settings section, you can simply scroll down and there you can just tap on Blocking. And now here in this section, you'll see the list of the people that you have blocked. Now here you can just find the person that you want to unblock and then just tap on block next to the name. And with that, you can just tap on unblock again to confirm, and that's it. With that, the person will be unblocked from Facebook. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.